Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So today I have created this really stunning matte neon lime green eye makeup look for you all, and this is the 7th addition to my Navratri makeup series. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. To cancel the darkness around my eyes, I'm first going to go in with my PAC concealer. And then I'm going to set the concealer with my NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation. Now for my eyeshadows to adhere nicely, I am going to apply Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer portion. For my eyeshadows today, I'm going to use the Tribe eyeshadow palette by JUVIAS. So first I'm going to go in with this shadow called TUTSI, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. And then I'm just going to blend this eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow called Sand, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner. So now let's move on to skin. So first I'm going to apply L'Oreal's Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer. And for my foundation today I'm applying Huda Beauty's 4 Filter Foundation in the shade Baklava. And then I'm going to apply PAC's Spotlight Ready Liquid Concealer in the shade Beige under my eyes and on the highest points of my face. And I'm going to set my concealer with Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to use NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation in the shade Golden. Now I'm going to add some warmth to my skin, and today I'm using the Balm's Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer in the shade Thomas. For my blush today, I'm using Tarte's Blush Bazaar palette, and I'm going in with this blusher called Angelic, and I'm going to apply this blush on the apples of my cheeks. And for my highlighter, I'm using Anastasia's Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I'm applying their summer highlighter on my cheekbone and on the bridge of my nose. And to fill in my brows, I'm going to use PAC's Eyebrow Definer palette, and I'm using that warm brown brow powder. So now I'm going to finish rest of my eye makeup. So for my eyeliner, I'm applying L'Oreal's gel eyeliner in the shade Sapphire Blue. And for my waterline, I'm going to go in with NYX Slide On Eye Pencil in the shade Tropical Green. And for my mascara, I'm applying Maybelline's Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. And for my inner corners, I am going to apply MAASAI eyeshadow. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So yeah. Moving on to lips now, I'm going to very lightly define and fill in my lips with KYLIE's lip liner in the shade Ginger. And on top of it, I'm applying Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. And last but not least, I'm going to set my makeup with MAC's Fix Plus Matte Spray. So this makeup tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you liked this makeup look because I absolutely love the way this look turned out. And if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. And I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.